Welcome to our channel Zaib Home and Beauty. Hope you liked the previous video. Thank you so much for that. Now, let's start a new video in the name of this holy person who is alone, has no partner. Gardening is a hobby. Everyone's tastes are different. Some people's houses are big and some people's houses are small in sizes. That's why everyone goes to their home and fulfills their passion of gardening. Some people love to grow vegetables, when some people are love to growing fruit, while some people only like flowers. Today our topic is home gardening. We will mention the plants that are often grown in houses. So let's start the video. Home gardening ideas. It's really good to have a rough plan of what you want down on paper. Measure up your space and then mark out where you want the different functions to be. It's also a good time to think about different routes and paths that you'd like around your garden. 1. Beets, lettuce, kale, cucumbers, peas, radishes, cherry tomatoes, and green beans are some of the easiest vegetables for beginners to grow. Summer and winter squash are also good choices for first-time gardeners. 2. One of the simplest ways to give small gardens a boost is to use your vertical space. For tiny gardens, use hanging baskets and planters, cover boundaries with climbers, and add height with trees or tall slim plants like alliums and Verbena bonariensis. 3. Most cottage gardens seem to set a romantic tone. Maybe it is because pastel shades are favored here, or perhaps it is because fragrant flowers are popular in this kind of garden. Peonies and old roses scent the air and add that touch of sumptuous sensuality. 4. Garden offices are also designed for quality and built for year-round use. The buildings are constructed using premium materials, complex insulation layers, and finished with a blend of natural and composite elements. 5. Moon gardens include plants with white flowers and silver or variegated foliage that can be seen in the reflected light of the moon, creating a sense of mystery. 6. A garden window or greenhouse window is a type of fenestration constructed as an exterior projection from a building, providing display space in the window. As the name suggests, small potted plants are often displayed in a garden window. 7. They are evergreen herbaceous perennial plants with large leaves 12 to 65 centimeters long and 3 to 25 centimeters broad. The flowers are produced in a spadix, surrounded by a 10 to 30 centimeters. 8. Outdoor orchid plants increase the beautify your garden and house lawns. 9. Hibiscus plants are extremely tolerant and perfect for every setting. Hibiscus also comes in a lot of color variants, and they have huge bell-shaped flowers. Hibiscus plants perform quite well in well-drained soil conditions. 10. These are stunning and highly decorative plants that come in a variety of colors. They are like ornamental shrubs which come in full-bloom sunlight. 11. Croton, also known as garden croton, is one of the large shrubs that can grow up to 10 feet tall. It comes in different color varieties like green, yellow, and many others. Crotons are very fast growers when it comes to well-drained soil conditions. 12. This is one of the major flowering plants that fall in tropical evergreen trees and shrubs, has around 562 species. These are annual plants that are seen in small chunks. These plants perform quite well in well-drained soil and full-bloom sunlight conditions. Ixora plants are highly valuable plants, and they hold a high degree of religious importance. These plants can be used as an Ayurvedic medicine too. 13. Denium is majorly a desert plant, but you can plant it anywhere with loads of sunlight. They just require moist soil, and thus, watering once a week is sufficient for them. Adenium plants can be propagated through the seeds in well-moist soil, but the plants will take approximately 7 to 8 months to bear flowers. 14. If you are a fan of tropical landscape, then nothing conjures the idea better than having palm trees in your collection. In olden times, Assyrians valued the palm tree most. Palm trees can instantly transform your space aesthetics, given know how to pick perfect type for you. 15. Roses are beautiful and romantic and come in many color varieties. They can be potted in small pots or directly into the soil. Roses are also annual plants and come with easy maintenance and care. Roses perform quite well in well-drained soil and can be propagated easily through rose buds. 16. The garden strawberry is a widely grown hybrid species of the genus Fragaria, collectively known as the strawberries, which are cultivated worldwide for their fruit. The fruit is widely appreciated for its characteristic aroma, bright red color, juicy texture, and sweetness. 17. The lemon is a species of small evergreen tree in the flowering plant family Rutaceae, native to Asia, primarily Northeast India, northern Myanmar, and China. 18. An apricot is a fruit, or the tree that bears the fruit, of several species in the genus Prunus. Usually an apricot is from the species P. armeniaca, but the fruits of the other species in Prunus sect, Armeniaca, are also called apricots. 19. Mangifera indica, commonly known as mango, is a species of flowering plant in the family Anacardiaceae. It is a large fruit tree, capable of growing to a height of 30 meters. There are two distinct genetic populations in modern mangoes, the Indian type and the Southeast Asian type. 20. Guava is a common tropical fruit cultivated in many tropical and subtropical regions. The common Guavicidium guajava is a small tree in the myrtle family, native to Mexico, Central America, the Caribbean, and northern South America. 21. An apple is a round, edible fruit produced by an apple tree. Apple trees are cultivated worldwide and are the most widely grown species in the genus Malus. 22. The peach is a deciduous tree first domesticated and cultivated in Zhejiang province of eastern China. It bears edible juicy fruits with various characteristics, most called peaches and others, nectarines. 23. Prunus domestica is a species of flowering plant in the family Rosaceae. A deciduous tree, it includes many varieties of the fruit trees known as plums in English, though not all plums belong to this species. The greengages and damsons also belong to subspecies of P. domestica. 24. Cherries are grown in all areas of the world where winter temperatures are not too severe and where summer temperatures are moderate. They require winter cold in order to blossom in spring. The trees bloom quite early in the spring, just after peaches and earlier than apples. 25. The fig is the edible fruit of Ficus carica, a species of small tree in the flowering plant family Moraceae, native to the Mediterranean region, together with Western and Southern Asia. It has been cultivated since ancient times and is now widely grown throughout the world. Nice to share this little information with you. I hope you will like it, and you will encourage me. If you want us to share this kind of information with you, then like, follow, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel Zaib Home and Beauty. Take good care of yourself and remember us in your prayers. Thank you so much.